This video shows a tragic motorcycle crash in heavy traffic. A family's motorcycle ride through heavy traffic ended in disaster. This accident highlights the dangers of unsafe riding practices we must all avoid. First, let's look at what caused this accident. The motorcycle was carrying 3 people, more than it was designed for. They were riding between vehicles in congested traffic. The riders were also too close to a large lorry, reducing their safety margin. These unsafe actions created serious hazards. The hazards and potential consequences are clear. First, the instability of the motorcycle, as overloading and weaving through vehicles reduce balance and control, making the bike more likely to crash. Second, blind spots of larger vehicles, because riding next to lorries or buses means the driver may not see you and one wrong move can cause a deadly collision. Third, the lack of protection, since motorcycles have no barrier in an accident and a collision with a heavy vehicle can result in severe injury or death. The proper safety practices could save lives. First, stay in your lane during heavy traffic and keep a safe distance from larger vehicles. Second, respect passenger limits, as motorcycles are built for 1 or 2 riders only and carrying more increases danger for everyone. Third, wear helmets and protective gear, which may not prevent an accident but can reduce the severity of injuries. Fourth, ride defensively, staying visible, avoiding blind spots, and always assuming other drivers may not see you. This accident is a painful reminder that motorcycles share the road with much larger vehicles, and riders have little protection in a crash. One unsafe decision can have lifelong consequences, not only for the rider, but also for their loved ones. Always ride safe, follow the rules, and remember that getting home safely is what truly matters.